Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how to fix the iPad random touching on, your screen in case you have noticed that some random things are happening. Well, most likely it is due to the display not being cleaned properly. Because let's be real, if there is any kind of water or anything on the display, it's gonna cause some accidental touches. So I would recommend you to just use a microfiber cloth and gently use it with a lightly damp cloth. Just clean the display and make sure there isn't any dirt, oils, or debris on it. And that way you want to make sure that the screen is as clean as possible. And if the issue still persists, then it might be because the screen might be a little bit damaged, right? So if it cracked, or if there is like visible crack on the screen, then water might get inside of the screen and then cause the same issues, and it's going to be much harder to get it out. So if that case, I would highly recommend you to just go to the Apple Store or any kind of like certified repair service, and then you should definitely just let them check it out, right? And also what might be going on is that some kind of iOS or iPadOS bug might be occurring. So in this case, it's always a good idea to update to the latest software update. So you can see my iPadOS has been updated, and make sure you always run the latest one. And also one interesting thing, because I've seen people just thinking that their screen or iPad is broken or damaged, but in reality, they only had an accessibility feature turned on. So there are a few accessibility features. For example, there is the voiceover.
Landscape alert. VoiceOver would like to send you notification. VoiceOver would
So
like to send
yeah.
you notification.
So as you could notice, if you don't know what you're doing, it might be kind of chaotic, and you might just pay attention to the accessibility feature. For example, voiceover might make things just show up randomly, and it's just doing weird stuff. And yeah, other stuff might be enabled as well, like accessibility touch, or the assistive touch might be turned on, right? And other stuff might be enabled, and then your iPad might do some weird things. So I would recommend you to do that. And if none of the features are enabled, then it's most likely a faulty display, which then should be like repaired by a professional anyway. So that's it. Let me know down below in the comments what your actual situation is with this problem. But for now, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.